Can you please recommend how to care for my winter pansies? This is my first time trying these. I live in southern New Jersey. I planted them September 10th. This is Glenn on YouTube. So congratulations, Glenn. Yeah, your first winter pansies. All right, Mr. Booker, how does he need to take care of those winter pansies?
I like winter pansies. I like pansies, and they're going to take care of themselves.
Right.
And, you know, I know when I put them out in my yard, they just snow get them, ice get them, they still survive.
Right.
And they really want you to just make sure you got no standing water around your pansies.
Yeah.
You know, that's all you want to make sure you got no standing water. And they should do well. They should take care of themselves and everything. Every now and then you might want to give them just a little fertilizer around there, but that's it for the pansies. They do good. Pansies and viola, they're really tough.
They do good. You're exactly right. Mary, anything you want to add to that?
No, I think good luck.
Yeah, good luck. Yeah, but yeah, you're exactly right. Yeah, just make sure it's not too moist because the roots will rot.
Real right on you.
Okay. Yeah, don't bury the crown or anything like that. You can use a slow release fertilizer.
Like Ossico or something like that, whatever.
Mulch it.
Yep.
And it should be good.
It'll be good, yeah.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.